Hey besties, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's a little bit of a self-care day. I am going to be reviewing this foot massager right here. I'm gonna check it out, use the different modes, the heating system, and we'll see exactly what my thoughts are. And so let's just not play around, let's jump into it. Over here, there's the on-off button, there's a mode, speed, direction. It's heated, you guys. Wow, a manual mode. And so I just have it facing me. And I chose white. It comes in different colors. Got my toesies in. I need to get my toes in, actually. Okay, so this little remote here works for it as well. So let's see. Ooh, turn it on. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Speed. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. And this is just like the regular speed. Hold on a second. Oh, it has a timer on here too, so you can just like sit and like watch a movie, freaking read a good book. Okay, so wait. Mode 1. Oh, this is the mode. Okay. Oh. So it just changed the direction of everything. Hold on. This is mode 3. Mode 3 is pretty intense. Back to mode. So there's 3 modes. Ooh, okay. What is the manual? Oh, so manual is a bit softer. I like manual. Direction. Let's put a timer on. So the timer can go as high as 30 minutes. Oh, let's put the heat on. Let's see what that feels like and see how quick it warms up. I'll let you guys know when I start to feel some heat. Wow. This feels good. Yes, Lord, thank you. So good. You know, as flight attendants, there's certain bases where, not even bases, like certain layovers people will go to. You guys see me? I feel like I'm like half cut off. Let me stretch out so you can see me. So anyway, so there's certain layovers that people choose because there's really great massages there for cheap. I think, what is it, I know Salt Lake City is one of them. This looks good. I'm gonna be doing this every time I get back from the trip. So the on and off button, the mode button, manual. That's what I have it on right now, manual. And so the manual massage is not pre-programmed and the speeds can be set by pressing speed. And so I put it on manual. And then I put it on a lower speed because it just feels more like someone's doing it. Let's see. I got shorts on under here. So let's see. Let's turn it on. I am so ticklish, but this feels good. Now this is what I'm talking about. Yes. Because when you're walking in those heels, this feels good. Here is a quick look, a closer look. You guys see? And so I think the white is so nice. And I know it also came in, I think it was red and black. I'm about to go and give myself another foot massage. I'm gonna get some tea. I will say for me, I will definitely be using manual mode because I'm very ticklish, and so you guys learned that about me today. I like the manual mode though because it just allows me to keep it really light, and I like that, and it actually felt like a human touch. And then the heating part of it, it's just enough, it's not too much, and so it's perfect. But yeah, I really love it. So thank you so much, Terralex, for sending over the device. I'm about to massage my feet as I edit this video because I need to get this up. You guys need to see exactly how amazing this product is. So and then after I do that, I'm gonna go scrub my face and get this makeup off and just have some tea and relax. Okay, I've been slaying in these skies. Okay, mama is tired. All right.